Netlify support for TanStack goes beyond just financial support. Heck, they're actually integrating it into their platform. Check this out. So this is the add a product page on Netlify.com. And of course, you can bring in your own project, but if you select start building with an AI agent up here, it's actually going to build you a TanStack Start application using an agent, well, for free with the first few credits. It's really cool. So what agents are we talking about here? We're talking about Claude Code, OpenAI's Codex, Google's Gemini. It's all baked in there. You can give it your own prompt. I could ask you to make me a calculator, or I could use one of the canned prompts here, build me an internal dashboard, or even cooler, check out these product templates over here. This is a database of project templates that you can choose from. Here's add an AI chat to your site. This is super cool. And of course, warms my heart because I'm on the TanStack AI team. So let's add that. Okay, so let's try out this prompt. We could specify the provider if we want to override the OpenAI ChatGPT. We could tell where to put the chatbot. We can even give it a purpose. For example, a chatbot that talks about cookies. And now we can replace our prompt with that. And of course, we can enhance the prompt. We can say something like use a dark theme and then just click build. And now it's off and running. Just like other agents, it does a planning phase where it breaks everything down into tasks. And you can, of course, track those tasks right here. Okay, it looks like it's built out all the code. Now it's actually going to deploy this. This is so cool. And it looks like we're running. Let's go check it out. So I've got our dark theme chat widget down here. Let's go ask about cookies. And there you go, a fantastic recipe for chocolate chip cookies. So easy. But now what if I want the whole site to be a dark theme? So let's see how easy it is to make some changes. Just click on make changes. Now we're here in the agent run section. And from here, we can use the agent runner facilities to go and run agents that are going to go and make our site better. For example, we can ask it to make the whole site a dark theme. And now you can see this agent runner flying down here. You can even play a game while you wait for the agent to complete. All right, it's done. Let's go check it out. And there you go. Now we've got a full-on dark theme across both the original page and also our cookie chat. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick look at Netlify's AI application builder that builds TanStack Start applications. If you have any questions or comments, please put that in the comment section right down below. And in the meantime, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you really like the video, hit the subscribe button and click on that bell and be notified the next time a new Blue Collar Coder comes out.